Hey baby girls, I have Holly in the studio today and I'm going to be giving her an extraction facial. I'm just going to spritz the pillow with some neon sleep mist and then begin to cleanse Holly's skin. Today I'm using Queso's rebalancing cleanser. Holly has combination skin, so we are going to reduce the oil in her T section and nourish and hydrate the rest of the skin. Using warm water, I wash away the cleanser and repeat this step. After the skin is all cleansed, I then exfoliate Holly's skin once again using Queso's rebalancing exfoliator. I use more upwards circular motions. This method clears pores, resulting in smaller, more even looking skin. I'm now just going to wash that off with clean warm water. Holly's skin is now prepped for extraction. As you can see, I use my fingertips to exert firm pressure on the skin surrounding the comedone and lift the blackheads gently out. I then open a sterile needle and gently prick the skin to create a passage so the blackheads can easily be removed without too much trauma to the skin. I now use my pore vacuum and set it to target Holly's oily T section. I then tone the skin with an astringent lotion. The skin is now ready for a mask. I just love this Origins 10-minute repair mask. It reduces oil whilst calming the skin. I then use some rose water on a cotton pad to cover the eyes whilst we're waiting for the mask. Holly's just had a lash lift, so I'm super gentle not to squish the lashes. I also apply a little lip balm to hydrate those lips. Once my 10 minutes is up, I remove the mask using warm sponges. I'm now going to use a small amount of Esper's replenishing treatment oil to hydrate them drier areas on Holly's face. I'm now going to finish the skin using Esper's 24-hour replenishing moisturiser and perform a little facial massage to promote blood flow and leave the skin feeling clean and fresh. So you can see how healthy Holly's skin looks. All the irritation from the extraction has now gone, leaving the skin looking smoother, less clogged and more hydrated. You can see the pores look less visible and her skin looks radiant. Thanks so much for watching my extraction facial tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!